Madam, I consider it a great privilege for me to head the strong, vibrant railway family and present my maiden railway budget, which is also the first year of the 12th five-year plan. I am grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister for his inspiration, guidance and support in formulating the budget. I am also grateful to Honorable Finance Minister and the UPA Chairperson, Srimati Sonia Gandhi, for her support. Madam, I am also thankful to the Leader of Opposition and Madam, I am thankful to the Leader of Opposition. I am thankful to all members of Parliament for having supported me and having shown me the direction. Madam, it would not have been possible for me to present this budget had I not received the support and confidence of my party, All India Trinamool Congress, and its chairperson, Mamata Banerjee, to whom I shall always remain grateful. Madam, above all, I am grateful to Ma Mati Manush, as it is because of their blessings that I have been able to make it to this Parliament. Ami Ma Mati Manush ke amar shraddha, amar pranam janai.